What's up, dudes? I'm changing my name to the Trumpet Kid. Because I love trumpet, as you can see. Hold on, let me get that light out. Hold on. There we go. But yeah, I'm changing my name to Trumpet Boy. And I'm going to be going over the B-flat trumpet. This is a new one I just got. I like to play it a lot. It's actually for my brother. But I'm going to say it's mine for right now. Mine's over there. It's a silver trumpet. I got the normal 7C mouthpiece. I also have a 3C and a Kelly 3C, which is plastic. Yeah, let's get started. This is the bell. This is where all the sound comes from. These are the first, second, and third valve. These are what you play the notes with. This is the lead pipe. It goes to this tuning slide, the lead pipe tuning slide, or whatever it's called. Second valve tuning slide, which is for this one. First valve tuning slide, which when you play E, you have to do it like that. It's awkward. This is the D slide. Whenever you play a D, you have to push that out a little bit. These are the water keys. Here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be playing a couple scales, and I'm going to play some improvising. Let's go get the mute for my improvising action.
You had a very short time to develop the spacecraft, so a lot of the design had to be based on technology that was available. You don't want to be reinventing the wheel.
The spacecraft had to meet exactly.
Got it. Okay, sorry about that. First, I'm going to play a couple scales without the mute in. Okay, let's play some jazz, improvising.